Hey guys, today's review is none other than Texas Chainsaw Massacre Next Generation. Fuck. This is the last one I'm gonna buy. Then you see which other one that I liked it right after that came out. Somewhat. One of the three came out after this, so yeah, it's about these people go to prom and fuck, these are the most annoying kids in ever Texas Chainsaw Massacre. There's a guy named like Barry or something, and there's that like fuckface girl, and there's that other guy. And most of the guys die off pretty fast in this. And that bitch, that one bitch, fuck, what's her name? Fuck, Fuckington. And then they'll go off for, drive in the woods for some reason. They run into this car, and the kid comes out and falls down. And then they go find help, and they run into this lady, and she calls Vilmer, and Vilmer comes and kills the two kids that were there. Yeah, and Vilmer comes and kills them too, and they meet one of their another family members that shot off Poetry. And one guy goes in the house and finds his girlfriend gets hit in the head with a sledgehammer. So he's dead. 3 people dead so far. And then they bring the other girl and catch the girl and meet the whole family, and things get a little fucky after that. And it does have some nice kind of cliches. The first, like the freezer and the Hulk and the dinner scene, and the kind of the house that kind of remind me a little bit of the old one. But that's about it. And then the one girl escapes and a plane comes down, break Vilmer's neck or something. And I don't know if the guy that did Poetry died. I don't think the girl died. Can't really remember. This film's a mess. It's like all over the place. They don't know what they're doing. It was directed by Kim Hinkle and had Matthew McConaughey as Victor, or whatever his name was, and Renee Zellweger. Well, Renee Zellweger never really saved this film. Matthew McConaughey did a good job. Leatherface really did nothing. But yeah, this is the last Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie so far. This is the second to last, so I'll give this like about a star. And then yeah, the next one, the final one, is tomorrow, which I think is the good one, pretty good. And then it's a different series, but what will be? See you later.